Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. This video I'm just going to explain what happened in episode 2, because episode 2 ended up not recording. So, first thing, I got this beautiful armor. I got this emeraldium sword and pickaxe. Both insane. 10 attack damage, 8 attack damage. The sword has a special ability that heals me. I got a lot of copper. I got these with stuff in it because I didn't want to crowd my inventory. Found a diamond, found more emeralds in these chests right here. Hold on, I'm not used to these controls. Like that. That's what I mean by the sword heals. Can I open this chest so I can... Am I just not allowed to open the chest? I guess we're not allowed to open it in third person. Am I even allowed to break anything? Okay, so in third person I can't break, but I can... Oh. That's cool. So I got iron armor. This is coppered iron armor, which is significantly better if you look at the protection bar. It's not too much better, but it's better. And as you can tell, I'm still wearing a copper cap, because I didn't even know there was a hole here. So I can mine that, but I can't mine anything else. Oh. What? What? Huh. Okay, well, that's funny. But, yeah, so... Not really too much happened, except for finding a new village and getting some armor. And, Luxrite, which I can craft, but I'm not going to. Luxrite is really overpowered. It gives me random positive buffs. But yeah, that's really all that happened. Not much else happened, actually. Just found a new village, and that's quite literally it. I swear that sounds like a player's footsteps. Iron Golem. It's just this guy. There is actually no way he didn't see that. What do you have? What trades do you have? For an iron... Fuck! Alright. Well, I have an iron axe now. That's all that happened in episode 2. And let's get on with episode 3. I don't really know what to do, but I guess we start off by killing the iron golem. Do I have enough blocks for that? I will meet you back when I start killing it. Alright, so the iron golem is very confused. By very, I mean very, very confused. That was easy. Thank you for my iron. I did not mean to do that, I'm sorry. It's right here, I think, the water. Why am I worried? I have the sword. Just... So, we killed the iron golem. We got 5 pieces of iron. I'm actually going to make coppered iron. Where's my crafting table? There's my crafting table. because if you look at this, I now have a full set of coppered iron. And as you can see, that means I have fire resistance. We're actually going to drop that on the floor. Fire resistance. Holy cow! So if I take this armor off, do I still keep it? No, okay. So it's only if I wear the full set. That means I won't have too much of a problem in the nether. It's not fire protection, but it's fire resistance, which is good enough. Is there a bed in here? There's no bed in here? Okay. I have a bed on me, though. I believe I need nether. Not nether, sorry. By nether, I meant leather. Let's see. I want to leave this village, because there isn't much else in here. Shut up, you stupid... Speaking of leather... Oh my god, it actually dropped leather. Where's my string? Now I can actually store more stuff, which I'm happy about. I can actually chuck you on the ground, you two, you two, you two. Rotten flesh, you can go in there. Let's put diamond, emerald in there. Let's also put the gold. We could put the boat there. Never mind. I guess we can't. Okay, for now that's fine. Alright. Are you... Okay. I knew I saw a creeper. I love this sword. Hi, llamas. Llamas drop leather, I believe, right? What do you have, first of all? That dog is so... Do I have any bones? I don't. Dog, if I had bones, you would be tamed. No! 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 Don't die! Don't die, please. Come on. Here, do I have food? Open my inventory, goddammit. Dog, dog, dog. Here. Come on. Can you follow me? Okay, you know what? Come with me. You're coming with me until I find a skeleton to tame you with. Oh, I was in this cave before. Shut up, Minecraft cave sounds. That's why I was in this cave before. It's literally right here. Good doggy. I'm gonna keep you with me until we find a skeleton, so I can kill it to get a bone to tame you. Hold on. I know dogs like sheep. Dog? Dog. Dog, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I lost it. There's actually no way. I lost a dog. We can always find another one. That would have been my first, but I guess not. I will bring you back when I find something cool. So I found the dog. I'm sorry, dog. Ow. So clearly the dog is mad. You... I am so happy with this armor. Oh, whoa. Hi, zombie, you can die. I hear a slime. Iron. That actually scared the crap out of me. Yo! Ooh, that's beautiful. I don't know how my microphone's gonna be, because my headphones recently broke. I was not expecting to fall. So I don't know if it's using my phone's headphones or... Nuh-uh. No, stop. I don't know why that skeleton didn't shoot, but... Let's see. Hold on. I don't need you, you, or you. That's an airplane. I'm sorry if you guys can hear it. Gold. I will actually take gold because I can get luxury if I find more diamonds. I need more torches. Sorry, my throat's not doing too good. I said that in episode 2, but episode 2 decided not to record, so... Ow, where? Who? Oh. Hi. How about you just don't follow me? Follow me. Alright, you stupid skeleton. You're dead. You're a piece of crap. Is that a skeleton spawner? No, hold on. I swear that's a skeleton spawner. I hear so many skeletons. What? Ow. I actually can't see this stupid skeleton. Thank you, creeper. You actually kind of did me a favor. Lapis! Oh my god, I can make armor out of that. Enchanted bow. Okay, I'm actually being bullied by these skeletons. Can I make more torches? Oh my god, I have so much coal. Just in case I got more sticks. Holy cow. That's a lot. Combine the bows. There's more here too. Oh my god, I'm gonna be rich. Okay, we're gonna go this way first. Ah, I knew I heard another one. There you are. I see you, creeper, or zombie. Okay. Stupid skeletons always scaring me. Where are you? Oh, both directions. How about no? Let me eat some carrots while I'm being shot at. Hey, can I eat my food, please? Okay, the music is so loud. This is where the skeleton came from. To get this sword, you need iron and emeralds, I believe. I might end it here. With a torch there, and some blocks to hide. I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. And girls, of course. If any girls are watching. But, right after I cover myself up, I think this is it. This is going to be the new episode 2 of my hardcore world. Oh wow, those particles are nice. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.